Hello, everyone. This is Sri Vishnu Engineering College Performance and the Department of Electrical and Electronic Engineering. We are dealing with microprocessor and microcontrollers lab. And today we are going to discuss about the third experiment in the micro MPMC lab, that is product of two multi-byte numbers. Product of two multi-byte numbers. And so the third experiment is product of two multi-byte numbers. So I take N1 to be 05H, N2 to be 0, 1, 0, 2, 0, 3, 0, 4. So if I want to do the product, what I will be doing is product of two numbers will be something like 0, 1, 0, 2, 0, 3, 0, 4. It's an hexadecimal multiplied by 0, 5H. So if I add these two numbers, what I will be getting is 0, 5 into 0, 4. We'll get the number as 20H. So I cannot write 20H directly because it's an hexadecimal number. So if I write it down, 0, sorry, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. But it will not be 10, it will be A, B, C, D is 0, 0, 0, 1, 0, 2, 0, 3, 0, 4, 0, 5, 0, 6, 0, 7, 0, 8, 0, 9, 0, 8, 0, B, 0, C, 0, D, and 0, E, 0, F. Till now it is 15. Now the 16th number will be 1, 0, 17th number will be 1, 7, so 1, 1, 18th number will be 1, 2, 19th number will be 1, 3, 20th number will be 1, 4. So if I multiply 20, what I will be getting the result is 40. Okay, 0, 5 into 0, 3, it is 15. So 15 I will be getting as 0 here. 0, 5 into 0, 2 will get 10. It is equal, 10 means it is 0A and 0, 5. The product is this one. So the point what I want to discuss over here is this is the result. The result is 0, 5, 0A, 0F, 1, 4H. This is the result for two multi-byte product multiplication. Okay, so now we are going to write down, okay, this entire logic for as a program. Okay, the program is same. Assume CX code DX data. Clear? So data segment. Okay, there's no changes. We are just writing down the same code. And what are the things that I want to do? I have to do 4 different. Now, why I have to do 4 because once I'll take only one hexadecimal number, I'll multiply with the other hexadecimal number at the top. So we take 4 different. That is NOB, the DW04H. Anything will waste the memory, that's it. Okay, so N1B, N1DD 05H, N2 DD 01, 02, 03, 04H, and the product I have to place it in somewhere DD, that is data ends. That's so we are starting the data segment, we are ending the data segment. In between, these are the values that I am placing. So now code segment. Okay, so we are starting. So start. Now first thing, move into X comma data. These two things are common. Move into GS available data AX. Okay, and move into CX NOB. Okay, so there is no changes. Okay, now what is the other thing I want to move into uh, BL, the data available in N1. Okay, so why I'm writing move into, because it is only one byte of information that I am directly writing down the information into BL. If there are two or three different bits, then now what I have to do, I have to write down with a load effective address LEA, okay, uh, into SI, the contents available in N2. Clear? Load into load effective address of DI, what is called product. Okay, so we have just written what are the required elements. Now the actual program starts over here. Next by, okay, so move into AL the contents available in SI. Move into AL the contents available in SI. CBW. Convert byte into word. Why I had to convert the byte into word means we have discussed very clearly in the instructions part. I have uploaded. Okay, so just look into that particular one and you can write it down. Okay, multiply BL. There are no two operands. There is only single operand. For multiplication and division, there will be only two single operands. Okay, clear? So now move into DI, the contents what we have. That is move BL will give us AL into BL and place the value into AL. Okay, so now I'm moving that AL value into DI. Clear? So now what I'll do, increment DI, because I have to place this one, increment SI. Now what happens? Decrement CX. Now if the CX value is not equal to 0, if not equal to jump, if no 0, that is next byte. If this is equal to 0, directly come out of this loop saying that 4CH int 21H code ends and start. Clear? So this is what the program is all about. Yeah. So now what we'll be doing is we'll run the program, okay, and see whether we got the actual whatever we have seen in the actual calculations. So it is edit uh, written as product dot asm. So here look at it. The program is like this. Whatever I have written and whatever we had discussed over there, that is what I have written. Okay, save, exit, TASM, PROD product dot asm, T-link, obj, okay, nothing is there, TD dot exe. Okay, clicking it, we got this one. Okay, now I'm pressing F7 step by step. Look at it, there are changes. Yes, so the count value will be 4. Whatever BL value will be replaced 05. Clear? SI, the effective address, and DI, the effective address of the product, and AL comma, that is moving the contents of SI, the first one into AL, that is 04. Now what I am doing is converting byte into word. So we are converting because all if the last value is 0, all the leadings value will be equal to 0. And now I am multiplying AL and BL. So the AL value will be 04 and the BL value will be 05. Once I multiply it, it should be 20. But as it is a hexadecimal number, we will not get 20, it will be 14. Clear? Now, what I'm doing, I'm moving the L value into DI. Clear? Product and increment DI. The value will be incremented by one thing, and SI CX decrement CX. So look at it now. The CX value will be equal to 3. Okay. Jump if no 0. If then what where it has to go directly back to the L comma SI. So then 0 3, that is CBW. Then multiply 0 3 into 0 5, so 15. So what I will be getting 0F, moving that again. Correct. So again, now what happens? The value is 0 2, 0 5, again 0 5 into 0 to 10. So it is 0A. We are getting SI and DX. So look at it. Again, CX value is equal to 1 then. So CBW 01, 05, 05 itself. So DI, SI. See, look at the moment I press CX, it is 0. So 0 flag is affected. Automatically jump if no 0. So it comes out of the loop. So it comes to X4 CH, CH4 CH. So into 21. So now looking into the term. So look at 04 is the count. 05, 05, 4, 03, 02, 01. 05 is the number which is places N1, 04, 02, 03, 01 is the number places N2. So multiplication we get 14, 0F, 0 05. So with this we complete the third program in microprocessor microcontrollers lab, that is uh, uh, multiplication of two multi-byte numbers. Clear?